well.
So hello ma'am, good afternoon.
Okay, hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Okay,
How are
how are
you?
you? Yeah, I'm good.
Yes, I'm pretty good, sir. And
So where
right
are you
now,
right now, ma'am?
yes.
So where are you right now, ma'am?
I'm in the school, sir.
Oh,
Yes,
nice.
yes.
Okay, ma'am.
So,
So
yes, this is our first meeting. So, could you please introduce yourself?
yeah, sure. So yeah, this is Chandan Lahiri, and I live in Bihar state, and I'm a teacher also by profession,
Yes.
and I love to talk to new people, learning new things. Yeah, that's all. Hmm.
Okay, that's good, sir. Now,
Thank
my
you.
turn, if you don't mind.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Yes, sir. My name is Manju Kosaria. I am connecting with you from Chhattisgarh, and I am also a teacher. And after a long time,
Mhm.
I make a video with you. And if I talk about my hobbies, so cooking, gardening, these are my hobbies. And mm, about my qualification, education, so I have done my masters and B.Ed as well. Yes, sir. That's all about me.
Wow, ma'am, you speak very nice, really.
No, sir. After long time, I make a video. After long time,
Yeah,
yes,
you are right, ma'am. I know, I understand. Having so many responsibility of home, caring kids, right, and as
yes,
well as school as well.
yes, sir.
But
Yes.
even though you speak very nice,
Okay.
hmm,
But okay. So how long have you been learn this language, sir?
uh, I've been learning for the 6 month. Okay,
Okay. Okay.
yes,
And, and consistency is maintained by you.
yeah. You can say consistency is the main key. You can say, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Hmm.
So you are a government teacher or private sector?
Yeah, I'm private teacher.
Okay. So which class
Yes.
do you teach?
I teach up to 5 class students because I'm a primary teacher. So
Okay. Okay. So which subject do you teach in your school?
yeah, I teach every subject, ma'am. So
Okay.
I have one question, ma'am.
Yes.
You are also teacher, right?
Yes.
So I would like to know how long have you been into this field, teaching field?
Okay, teaching field. It's been 16 to 18 years, sir.
Wow,
Yes,
nice.
18 years, yes.
So you are a government teacher, ma'am, right?
Yes, sir, I am a government teacher.
So then how did you enter this English journey? I mean, English field. How?
Okay, English learning, okay. Some days, sir, and that's Corona time, Corona time. That time we stay in our home and we have a lots of time. So that time I decided, why not I learn this language because my
Mm.
English is very not very good and I love this language, so that's why I'm learning this language. And uh, 1 years ago I started, 1.5 years ago I started journey, and but consistency is not maintained by me, sir. So that is why I'm
Okay.
learning this language.
Of course, I understand, ma'am. Becoming teacher, it's a mandatory for us. We must
Yes,
have some knowledge about language, so we can talk to our colleagues, our friend circles,
yes,
right?
yes, yes. Basically, I'm a maths teacher, sir, but I teach English subject also in my school. So I decided I should learn this language because if I
Mm.
don't English very well, so how can I teach my students very well English? So this is the main reason for learning this language.
Oh yeah, I would say your intention is very nice, very pure for the students' welfare. And ma'am, I would say you are speaking very nice already. I said to you. So Yeah, you just keep, you maintain your consistency. Okay.
Yes, yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes. Consistency is very important, sir. Actually, sir, I didn't make any kind of video last 2 3 months. So
Mm-hmm.
I feel I lost my confidence level.
Yeah, it happens. It happens whenever we gap, maintain gap in learning something. So I feel like that. We feel like that. Okay,
Yes,
but it's okay because I'm really glad. Yeah, because you return, ma'am, into this field again,
yes,
right?
sir, yes.
And okay, ma'am. So tell me about your daily routine. How do you manage? What is your school time?
Okay, my daily routine.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes I mistake this, so you don't mind, sir. Uh, I wake up early in the morning and 5:30 o'clock. Then after I take some lukewarm water and I do yoga. And then after I make breakfast for my family, me and my family. And then after we take breakfast. Then after I make lunch for every person, because every person they in my family they are busy person. Me and my husband they both are teachers, and my children they both are studying now in school. So and then after at 9:30 o'clock I go to my school. Am I right, sir?
Oh,
Grammar is not
yeah,
good.
yeah. It's okay, ma'am. It's okay. There is no need to, focus over grammar, especially in a spoken part.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Yes,
yeah.
then after a whole day I busy in my school, sir. I take 5 periods in my school, and then I return my home 4:30 o'clock, and then I take rest some time, half an hour, and again I do my household chores, and I help my son for their homework, and yeah, this is my daily routine, sir.
Wow. Very nice, ma'am. I really appreciate you. You manage your daily routine in a right manner, quite good manner. And I know each housewife has a very hectic schedules, and somehow they manage very tough, work for every person.
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
It's very, sometimes it's very hectic for me. Yes,
And even though you have been trying to learn this language, so it's very challengeable for you, right?
yes, 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 yes.
Yes.
So,
So, ma'am,
sir, tell me,
yeah, yeah, go ahead.
sir, tell me what? Yes. Why are you learning this language, sir? What is the
Hmm.
reason behind it?
Yeah, actually, I'm a teacher. The first reason I'm a teacher, and second reason I live in a rural place. So, there people are not that much, curious to learn. So, and English is my favorite subject as well since my
Yes,
childhood.
yes,
So
yes,
that's why I learning this language.
yes, yes. Very requirement language also, sir. Anywhere, any place. If you go outside, so English is very compulsory for every person.
You are right, ma'am. And I teach in a private school. So in private, so many parents also expected for having,
Yes,
English language from the teachers.
yes, yes, yes. You are right. Yeah.
Each book also in English language. So if you know very well English, then you can understand. You can explain in good manner to all your students. So that's why.
Okay.
So what is your
So right
hobbies,
now,
ma'am?
okay, my hobby. Reading books are my hobbies, sir, and cooking, gardening, those are my hobbies.
Mm, very
Yeah.
nice.
In my school, there are so many story books, so I read some story books in my school. Yeah,
Yeah, I
and
would say.
yes, and I like. cook food like South Indian dishes. I make every day for
Okay.
breakfast, and gardening is also my hobby.
Wow, very
I
nice.
like flower. Yes,
And one thing I would say, literally, like you have really good confidence, ma'am, because you are still around the school and yes, instead of you are talking like that. So you have
yes.
really great confidence. Hmm.
Okay. Yes, sir. Actually, right now lunch break, so I utilize my time.
Wow. Nice, ma'am. Really commendable job, I would say.
Yes.
I met many teachers, but I couldn't meet like you. Okay,
Oh,
you.
okay.
Yeah, in lunch time, you as well as you are utilizing your free time in a productive
Yes.
way. So it's a really
Yes.
amazing.
Thank you, sir. So right now you are in your school or home?
Right now I am at my home because I took leave for a while. Till
Okay.
26th January. Yeah, and after that I would be engaged again.
Okay.
So
Okay. So
how
you
is
don't
going?
celebrate?
26th January, no?
Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes.
celebrate.
26 January.
I celebrate.
Okay.
In my place the weather is very tough. Very cold. So I took leave for a while.
Okay. So where are you from, sir? I forget.
Bihar state.
Yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So anything,
So
any questions, sir?
um, yeah. Okay, ma'am. So now you tell me, what do you do for the improving your spoken English apart from attending session?
Apart from,
Session. Attending session apart from attending session. Yeah.
okay. Sometimes, sir, I read books, story books, as I told you, and I teach English subject also. So when I teach English subject, that time I read English book loudly, and
Mm-hmm.
sometimes I make a conversation in my own in front of mirror.
Oh.
Yeah, this is the way to learn in my own. Yes,
Yeah, nice, really. Yeah, this way, reading, going through reading way, it's very effective, I would say. Because you're going to learn vocabulary. Time to time, you can remind your vocabulary, and you're going to
yes,
learn how the sentence is created, constructed.
yes,
The
sir, yes.
transformations you are going to learn, and as well as you are going to learn about preposition, conjunction, so many things, right? So this is the right
Yes,
way
sir,
of learning.
yes. We know grammar very well. But when it comes to use grammar sentence speaking part, that time we forget how to use grammar.
Yeah, it happens. It happens
Yes,
every learner, and you can level up only through reading way. Reading way you can get to know. Yeah, this way you can go through.
okay. So, yes, tell me, sir, which type of practice do you do for enhancing your English?
Okay, actually, ma'am, I also read so many story books, and as well as I'm watching so many English conversation video, and yeah, talking to the
Okay,
new
yes,
people.
I also.
Hmm. So the same things I'm also following, and I'm a teacher, so I'm getting so many chapter of the students. So there I have to engage myself in order to explain questions, right? All the things. Yeah, this way. Yeah.
Okay.
So, ma'am, I think in your side little bit network problem.
Yes, sir. Yes, yes.
Okay. So now I think we have mostly done our session, and next
Okay.
meeting we will arrange soon.
Yes, sir. Yes, definitely.
Yeah. Thank you
Okay,
so
sir.
much, ma'am. Bye.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for giving me your precious time. Thank you.
Yeah, yeah. It's my honor, ma'am. It's my honor.